Today we will complete the pattern applying both Indian and French techniques with the sequences. Thus, let us start from the last remaining list, exercising Indian technique of embroidery, while applying our metal threads and sequences. Apply the lock on its base, then set the sequin on the needle and bind it with a stitch. Continue applying loose stitches. And now I'm binding the sequences one to another one, trying to place them with the same 2 or 3 millimeters frequency, following the drawn direction. In order to highlight the edge of the list, place one short stitch to the opposite direction from the drawn line, and then continue placing sequences turning back to the base of the list. Secure the thread by an accurate lock. Then cut the thread and draw the edge to the back side of the frame to secure. Next, I would like us to exercise the French method of embroidery. Thus, I have replaced the threaded sequences onto the bobbin and will use them embroidering the last little square drawn next to the previous ones. Right over here, a little square. Place your needle into the corner and apply a little accurate lock. My lock is done and I'm ready to supply first sequin. The principle of binding sequences is absolutely equal to the principle of binding beads. There's no difference. At the top of the corner, input the needle to the opposite from the drawn line direction without a sequin. And then return the hook back and continue stitching with the sequences, following the drawn line to the next corner. And then repeat the same at all corners. Accurately secure the square and it's ready. Try to repeat the same, emphasizing the sharp corners. Now we will reapply the same method of embroidery on the button embroidering the list. As usual, I'm placing a little securing block and then supplying sequences with the nail, beading until the top. Coming to the top, place one loose stitch to the opposite side from the drawn line, and then return the hook and continue with the regular beading. Apply the lock and secure the edges. Thus, I would like you to repeat the same, photograph your work, and send it to me along with the questions or comments if you have. Our first pattern is completed. We have learned two methods of embroidering, applying regular and metal threads, learned how to make an accurate and precise corners using beads and sequences. I hope that you've enjoyed your work and looking forward for the next project.